so excited about it. We've just been to Coles like 4 times because we kept forgetting things, which was a bit painful, but that's okay. We're gone now. We're leaving Townsville. We've had some aircon issues. She works on 4 or nothing, or 4 or 1, but we're not supposed to use 1. So yeah, it's Arctic or hot. That's okay, that's better than no aircon. So we're not probably gonna travel far tonight because it's already 5 o'clock, but we are heading north. Only problem is, guess what's happening tomorrow? A cyclone. Spend like 2 hours.
2 hours. 2 hours at the shops.
We're the worst.
And we forgot Vincent Bushy Parker Park. Seems like it. Let's get cooking.
What do we have here? Little trinket. Found a Taya stone, a rare Taya stone. So you found one of Toya's travel stones. Take them in her honor on your journey and choose their next hiding spot. Okay. Alright, we've got some information. Toya's spirit lives on through travel stones along East Coast. Alright, we got some more information on this mystery. It looks like she died, definitely.
We totally found a Toya.
Okay, so she went missing near Cairns. Her body was found the next day. Her murder is unsolved. But she gets to travel through the stones. And on tonight's menu we have bolognese. Good morning vlog. We're just here having our morning coffee in the Rolling Stone Park. Very nice. You'd think we were the only ones here, but no. Everyone else is just parked down there. So we're gonna have this and then go to some waterfalls. Wow. Oh, this is such a nice spot. Look at how serene it is. Oh my god, what is that? A wild creature in the bushes. Oh my god. Alright, catch a Rolling Stone. We're out of here.
Bye.
There's a local kombucha. Well, that was a very pleasant roadside surprise. At this like tiny servo, they had homemade kombucha in like jugs with scobies and all different flavors that they had put in, and it was $2.50 a cup. That is awesome. The Crystal Creek rock sides. We have actually been to Crystal Creek before, just a couple of weeks ago, while we were in Townsville with Kaylin, which I might insert the footage of here. But he didn't want to go to the rock slides, so we're back to go to them now. Quick brekkie before we go for a swim. Yes, time to hit the road. How cute is this? And now we're arriving at the local legend, the Frosty Mango. Have to get Frosty Mango if you ever come past going north from Townsville. They have heaps of exotic flavors, lots of vegan options, which I love. Here we've got lime and basil, and the classic mango.
No, it is. Ew.
What a good combo.
It's disgusting.
Okay, Wes got angry and stormed off with the keys, so now I have to leave the van unlocked to go and try to find him. So fingers crossed no one robs us. Alright, he's not down there. Sake. Looks nice though. Did he go to the rock pools or did he go to the lookout? Nope, not at the rock pools. Guess we're going to the lookout. Well, I found him, but he's grumpy. So I'm going in alone to see Jarama Falls. What can you do? Damn, how awesome. Now apparently you can hike right up to the top of that one and swim in it, which I would like to do, but might take a bit of convincing to get Wes up there, especially with his mood today. So, alright, so hiked a little bit through the bush to get to this vantage point. Check it out. Damn. Alright, now that our adventuring for the day is done, we found an outdoor shower at Jarama Falls. Lucky us. Alright, successful shower, but now we are retreating away from Jarama Falls because there's a lot of bugs. Wes is losing it. Alright, here we are in Ingham. It's raining. We need a place to stay. Hopefully we can find a local park. Alright, this looks like a pretty good spot. Good morning vlog. Spirits are low this morning. I've woken up sick. My eye is puffy for some reason, so that's great. Sitting outside Macca's at the moment. Major problem, it's rainy and we don't have any power because the solar isn't charging because it's just been cloudy all day yesterday. So last night we couldn't have our fans or our lights or our fridge on. I slept fine, but Wes couldn't sleep and he's now very, very grumpy. So we kind of need to fix the power problem. As I see it, our options currently are go directly inland and skip all of this, but I've just been planning for the past weeks our journey up north, so I really don't want to do that. Get a second battery, but that won't really fix the power, the charging problem. Figure out how to charge our battery from the car battery. All options are not ideal. And yeah. Alright guys, update. Our hero has got an idea. He's trying some DIY electrical work to get our battery wired up to the van. While Wes does his thing, I'm making some coffee around the front of the van, hiding from Macca's because I don't think they'd be too happy that I'm cooking my own coffee outside their restaurant.
We're gonna
Turn the car on, hopefully no one gets electrocuted. Anything happening? Oh, that's pretty good. Next problem, when we plug in the solar, it cuts it off because they're different voltages. but we need solar and car. Update on the van, the cable did work, but it gave us less power than the solar panels, and the sun is actually not looking too bad at the moment, despite the forecast.
And because of the voltage difference, you can't have the battery charging, the cranking battery charging the solar battery.
So it's one or the other.
Yeah.
So solar wins in this case. So rather than just stare at the battery all day seeing the percentage, we are gonna go explore Ingham, which is known as Little Italy due to the high Italian population here. Hopefully we can find some like olives, maybe some pasta, and eat away our sorrows.
Gonna say good day to the locals. Hey locals!
I don't want anything to do with you. Very firm on the bats. NQ's greatest deli. Check out the olive selection. That is so many olives. Look at this pasta. Look at this. Paid way too much for these olives, but they're so good.
So we got Ingham's history here in mosaic form. Very interesting. Quite a art piece. Sarah's loving it. Absolutely lapping it up. Show us how you feel, Saz. Come on. That is how Sarah feels. There she is. Oh, I'm cane grower.
What's the percentage on? We've been out for a few hours.
We're charging to the 80, baby.
Hey! Woo! Alright. Battery is charging, but we don't want to charge our stuff off the battery to drain the power unnecessarily. So we got the library, got all the gear charging, got some good aircon, good bean bags. Time to chill. Okay, so it's that time of the evening where we need a shower, and it's proving hard to find. So the local pool might have some showers we can use. I'm gonna be a grub and not have a shower.
Well, I'm not going to be a grub because I was sweaty. Sarah wasn't really sweaty. We did a pit test. She still smells rancid, but not as bad as me. Alright. I'm showering alone, as I said before. It's an alright shower. Not bad. Just general pool shower. Yeah. Alright, so the showers, first two were cold that I tried, and this one's hot, so I'll enjoy. Alright, ready to get out of here. Shower done. Pressure, water, cold. Not worth $3.
Oh my god, check this out. That is kind of spooky.
Oh my god, no bats in my city!
Arrived at tonight's spot. Overall, the battery ended up on 60%, which is not bad. So pretty much all of this morning's drama was for nothing because we didn't change anything. We just went out of the van and stopped freaking out about it. So fingers crossed that continues. Good morning vlog. We are up and on the road heading to...
It's not even that early.
We're on the road. It is morning.
We're up in Adam.
Yeah, it's like 9. We're heading to Wallerman Falls. This morning's breakfast location. We just pulled over by the side of the road to absorb a little bit of sunlight.
Nice sun hole that we found, so we need it.
We need it. It's a very cloudy day, but we got a little bit of sun we can take advantage of.
You need more than that. Oh, you need more than that.
Hello. Can you guys move though? Toot toot, get a move on. Bye. Alright, after a strange bread encounter, we're leaving Ingham. So, we're on to Cardwell at 5 Mile Creek. Cool as, huh?
Do you not think I'm going to be swimming?
What? It looks awesome.
Wow, it smells.
Alright, so we have arrived in the port of Hinchinbrook, just outside Cardwell.
Looking disgusting, if I must say.
Yeah, so it's really weird because Wes and I both remember coming here as kids and it was so nice for like family holidays, but then Cyclone Yasi like ravaged the entire place a few years ago and now it's like completely abandoned and kind of creepy. Alright guys, this is pretty cheeky, but we've just found a very nice spot for tonight. Check it out. Bam! On the water. Living our childhood dream. Kind of doesn't look like anyone's home there, so hopefully we're all G. We're just here chopping up our dinner for tonight, but Wes has just sliced off an actual piece of his finger. Well, while Wes tries to bandage his finger up, I'm going to wrap up the vlog for this week. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our escapades. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Shout out to Aiden.
Yeah,
Thanks
shout
for
out
watching.
to Aiden. Thanks for watching all the time. We'll hear about you from
Loyal
Kaylin.
supporter.
What a guy.
Love to see some more of you supporting the Van Masters crew. Okay, see you guys.